Yellowstone volcano has been struck by 1,400 earthquakes in recent weeks, leading to fears that the supervolcano is ready to blow and wipe out life on Earth. Seismic activity around the Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming, U.S. is not uncommon, but the heaviest swarm in half a decade has people very concerned. Since June 12th, there has been over 1,400 tremors in the region, and experts state that the swarm could go on for another month or so. The Yellowstone Caldera supervolcano last erupted 70,000 years ago, but a spike in seismic activity around the national park has unsettled nerves. If the Wyoming volcano were to erupt, it would kill an estimated 87,000 people immediately and make 2/3 of the U.S. immediately uninhabitable. A large spew of ash would fly into the atmosphere, and it would block out sunlight and directly affect life beneath it, creating a nuclear winter and threatening all life on Earth. The volcano is 50 miles long, 12 miles wide, and has 1,500 degree a chamber of molten rock beneath it, and it is 7 miles deep. The massive eruption could be a staggering 6,000 times as powerful as the one from Washington's Mount St. Helens in 1980, which killed 57 people and deposited ash in 11 different states in the United States and 5 Canadian provinces. Additionally, a climate shift would ensue as the volcano would spew massive amounts of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, which can form a sulfur aerosol that reflects and absorbs sunlight. Following Montana's biggest earthquake in 34 years, a 5.4 tremor in early June, which is on the same fault line as Yellowstone, and coupled with the swarm of quakes in the national park, many are convinced that the supervolcano is now ready to blow. One local resident wrote on Twitter, "Earthquake in Bozeman, truly terrified, Yellowstone volcano gonna go off." However, seismologists state that there is nothing to be concerned about yet. Jamie Farrell at the University of Utah in Salt Lake City told New Scientist, "This is a large swarm, but it is not the largest swarm we've recorded in Yellowstone. Earthquake swarms are fairly common in Yellowstone. There is no indication that the swarm is related to magma moving through the shallow crust." What do you think? Is Jamie Farrell telling the truth? Is there nothing to worry about in Yellowstone? Or is he lying and we're in for one big surprise at the Yellowstone National Park? Leave your comments below this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.